Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm Bo. Welcome back to Holler's Garage. Today I'm gonna film two videos today. One's gonna be an unboxing and one's gonna be a new project I got sitting over behind me. And no, it's not the Grom, whichever side it is. Yeah, there. Sorry, I'm looking at the preview down here on my phone. I'm trying to get some better film quality here. This is a GoPro 11 Black, and I'm trying to get better quality for you guys. Like right now, I can see there's a horrible glow from this light above me and stuff, and just trying to get better quality for you guys. With that being said, the first video today is going to be an unboxing, and it is a ring light. It's from the Neewer brand, off a marketplace, of course. And we're gonna unbox that together and see if that helps out the quality we have here. So let me set us up a place to unbox, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we're back. You can see I still got some junk here. A lot of this is my wife's stuff, where she is redoing the cabinets inside. And but right now we're going to focus on opening this thing up. So let's see what we got here. I haven't even opened this thing. I've had it for a minute now. And I have not even opened it, haven't even broken the tape on it. So I'm seeing this for the first time like you guys. Alright, we got something in the bottom. I haven't watched any reviews on these things. I did read them on Marketplace. We got a box in the bottom. It says light stand on it. So I'm sure that's the stand it goes on. Let's go ahead and rip that open. You got the little, that's the part where the camera actually, you could screw into the bottom of a camera. It's been so long since I bought this thing that I honestly don't even remember all the specs on it. I think it's 19 or 20 inch, yeah. I was about to say 19 or 20 feet tall, but I think it's a 19 or 20 inch diameter light, I think. So, just stood that up there. Alright, got that part stood up there, you know, nice and fancy, whatever. And I'm guessing this goes on, I don't even know. But y'all know me, I don't read instructions. Get all this junk out of here. I try not to read instructions anyway. Instructions are boring. No instructions makes life fun. Makes life interesting. You just have to redo things 5 or 6 times till you get it right. Alright, there's a box. There's the light itself. Nothing else in there. Put this box here. These are all the, I'm going to call them filters for the front of the light itself. I know that's probably not the right name for them, but that's what I'm going to call them. You got some orange ones. Don't even really know what all these are for, but you've got orangish looking ones, and you got the clearish looking ones. they just like this one here has a little piece like this right here, so I guess they just snap on. Yep, just snap right on there. Got little clips on the outside edge, and they just clip on the outside. It's just easy peasy. However, it does look like there is a little lip here and a little lip there, so I'm guessing it's supposed to overlap. Yep, that looks like it's supposed to. Looks better. Each segment has that little lip. So now I'll put the last one on. Pin that one up. And I'll snap this one on top of that one. However, I must be just a hair off because that one didn't want to fit right. Looks like I need to slide it around just a hair. There we go. All right. All right, you guys. There we go. There's the cover on it. And we got some adjustments down here, the way it mounts and all that good stuff. There's the cord. Power cord in the box. We've got, I ain't gonna use that bag again. Take it off there. We've got a phone / camera holder, and it looks like we've got a remote control. Got a little remote control. It's got a little camera picture on there. And a little bitty manual. That reminds me of back in the 80s or 90s when we had little manuals for like video games. Right there. There's the manual for the light ring itself. Ring light. And I don't know what that is yet. Let's see here. Alright, you guys, I got it figured out a little bit. I've got it figured out a little bit here. Alright, so you got the regular part of the stand, then you got the flexible gooseneck as they call it, and then you got this part right here, which is called ball head adapter. It's got a square part on the bottom. Unscrew this part, and it slides up in there. And then that bottom thumb screw, I would turn that one sideways. This one right here, I would probably turn that backwards, maybe give you access to it. And then tighten that one down by hand, and that's where this part will screw on. Boop, right there. So let me figure that out. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so yeah, that just screwed on. It's got a hole here in the mount, and it's got a hole here so you can mount it either way. And then you just tighten this little screw up right here, which will get rid of all this play. Back on the GoPro now. Put my phone back up. Now we're back on the GoPro. It's still mounted in the ring light. Let's see what kind of light. As you know, as you guys just saw, I showed you how the power / dimmer button is back here on the back. Reach down and turn that on. Clicks on. then you have a dimmer, and you can crank it up to evidently the sun, because whoo, wow, that is bright. Don't need it that bright. I'm gonna have to go get my welding hood and put it on for lights that bright. Jeez. All right. I don't know about y'all, but that looks pretty good for here for now. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, that's a little video of the Neewer ring light. I said I think it's a 19 or a 20-inch light. Let me get a measuring tape real quick and I will measure that. So outside to outside is 19 inches. Inside to inside is 14. So it's a 19-inch ring light. Pretty freaking bright. I don't know what the other filters, diffusers, that's what they called it, diffusers. Don't know what kind of light that would give off, but I may try that. I'll try that in a later video. I've got this other video I'm trying to really focus on at the moment. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It is right now Saturday the 18th. Saturday, January 18th. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed weekend. I hope you've had a wonderful, blessed week. Share the love of God with somebody this week. At least one person this next week. Share the love of God with somebody. Doesn't have to be something awesome. Well, in your eyes, something awesome. Open a door. Just wish somebody a wonderful day, something. Because you never know what that's going to mean to that person. You never know what kind of day that person's having, and it could mean the absolute world for them or to them. So find somewhere to go to church this weekend. Love you guys. Thanks for joining us here on Holler's Garage. We'll see you next time.